Good evening to all. My name is Nova Kapoor and my topic is seminar on wireless communication. What is wireless communication? In layman language, it is communication in which information is transferred between two or more points without any wire. Modes of wireless communication: Bluetooth, near field communication, Wi Fi, Li-Fi. What is Bluetooth? Bluetooth is method for data communication that use short range radio links to replace cables between computers and their connected units. Named on Danish King Harald Bluetooth, developed in Scandinavia. Near field communication. What is near field communication? Near field communication is a short range, highly frequency wireless communication technology that enables the exchange of data between devices over about a 10 centimeter distance. It allows devices to establish peer to peer radio communications, passing data device to another by touching them very close together. Wi-Fi. What is Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi wireless fidelity allows you to access the internet while on the move. You can remain online while moving from one area to another in wireless mode. Wi-Fi enabled computers send and receive data indoors and out anywhere within the range of a base station. It's just as fast as cable modern connection. What is Wi-Fi is generic term that refers to IEEE 80211 communication standard for wireless local area network. Hotspot. What is hotspot? A hotspot is any location where Wi-Fi network access is made publicly available. Hotspots are equipped with a broadband internet connection and one or more access points allow user to access the internet wirelessly. Hotspot can set up in any public location can support an internet connection. All the local discussed below are example of hotspot. Radio signal, Wi-Fi occupied device, Wi-Fi access point, hotspot, local area network, internet. What is Li-Fi? Light fidelity. Li-Fi is transmission of data through illumination by taking the fiber out of fiber optics by sensing data through LED light bulb. This varies in intensity faster than human eye can follow. It is the fast and cheap wireless communication system which is optical version of Wi-Fi. Advantages of wireless communication: wireless speed, cost, durability, flexibility, place of device. Disadvantages of wireless communication: power consumption, security issues, compatibility issues. Thank you.